a lot of people like to hold on to people because they love them. But if you do not know who you are, there is no love. Like you can't make nobody you can't make nobody remember who they are or love on themselves. You can't make nobody do that. They gotta walk their own path. You could only try much gratitude for the gifts. You could only try to enlighten them. But once they start pulling back, you're gonna feel that pull back. So once they start pulling back and sending negative energy, because if you're in your heart space, you're gonna be able to detect it. Much gratitude for the gifts. You're gonna be able to detect that shit. So if you feel pullback, disconnect. It's time to disconnect. Because at the end of the day, you cannot walk their path for them. You got to focus on your path. Don't let them bring you down. See what I'm saying? Don't let them bring you down. All right, you love them. See, a lot of people I had to disconnect from. And I'm a loving being. I love everybody. So, but I had to disconnect. But they're not going to take the love that I'm spreading for love. They're going to take it for hate because that's where they at. They hate their true self. See what I'm saying? That's where they at. They're not going to take it for love. Anybody that's on a low vibrational frequency, they're going to always take your love for hate because they don't have it within themselves. You got to embody that first. You got to experience that for yourself first in order to appreciate it. That's why people don't appreciate the love that you spread to them. See what I'm saying? That's why people don't appreciate it. You got to love you first to know what love feels like. Love is a vibration. Love is vibrational frequency. See what I'm saying? That's the only way you're gonna be able to you're gonna be able to appreciate love. Much gratitude, much gratitude. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Much gratitude. You won't be able to appreciate it. That's why a lot of people misuse loving people. Much gratitude for y'all tuning in. I love you, beautiful souls. Keep loving yourself.